Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to the first installment of Spotlight on the Creator. So if you guys have not seen the intro video, please go over and check that out and then come back over here and watch this video. That video talks about how this came about, why I'm doing this, how I chose people, and a little bit of more information about this whole series. So I hope that you'll go over and watch that and then come back and watch this so you can meet a fantastic content creator. The purpose of this is so that we can grow our channels. A lot of these are going to be very small channels or under 1,000 viewers, part of Team Tiny and Handmade Happiness. And they are people who are, maybe not as well known as some of the famous, more famous content creators for the crafting industry, but nonetheless just as talented. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that it comes across with all of the positive intent that it was meant to. I'm a little bit nervous about this. As of this moment, I have not uploaded the intro video yet. Obviously, it will be uploaded before I upload this one, but the content creators are not aware that I'm doing this. So I'm just hoping that, again, that it comes across with the positive intent that I have for this. Okay, so let's get started about talking about the first content creator. Oh, she is an amazingly supportive, generous, and caring woman. She's a social worker by trade, and you can see that in her comments on Facebook and YouTube. She leaves positive, very supportive comments on things. She has told me numerous times that I need to stop being so hard on myself, and it's been noted, but I have a difficult time doing that. So I will listen one of these days. Oh, she's very, very supportive. She sees the silver lining in things. You can tell her social worker side comes out when she's very caring. When somebody's hard on themselves or having a hard day and they write something, she's always one of the first people there that's with a supportive comment and saying, you've got this, you can do this. So super, super supportive of not only the content creators, but also the companies in the craft industry. Oh, I often, when I watch her videos, I learn about a new company, and I've said to her numerous times that she's an enabler, and I believe her response to me was, that's what this is all about though, isn't it? So yes, it is. It's about being exposed to different companies, and she does such a great job of showcasing products that I often will say, well, now I got to go out and buy that or look at that, or, I have to look at that stamp company or stencil company, which is what she did for ACLD. She just did a scavenger hunt earlier this month, and you had to go on their page, and she had a bunch of questions, and you had to look for these different stencils and, count how many so-and-so made and how many are under this one and what was, when was this stencil out. So you got to see all of these different stencils, and I got exposed to things that I would not have known about had I not done her scavenger hunt. So she's super creative like that. And as a side note, I did win the main prize for that, and she told me I could pick 3 stencils. So I told her I picked the first 2, and I said, the other one, you just go ahead and pick. She's so generous that she remembered the stencil that I said I liked in one of her videos and sent me one from her own personal stash. So sweet and kind and generous, totally unnecessary, but so incredibly welcomed. And side note, I do have a video on that. I turned all 3 of them into Christmas cards, all 3 stencils. The one is a traditional Christmas stencil, the other ones are not. So just super, super sweet on things like that. And, just very, very giving and generous and caring. I'm sorry, I'm just looking down at my notes. I'm a little bit nervous. I just don't want to forget anything that I wrote down. She is on a couple of design teams, so she does have some product spotlights from that, but there are companies that she just does out of the goodness of her heart. She shows them and how you use them, which again is just giving exposure to these small companies. She loves stencils, which is where the ACLD thing came from. I love stencils too, but I think she loves them even more. I believe she uses one in almost every single one of her videos. So if you have questions about stencils, I would highly recommend you go over and check out her channel, because she has lots of different stenciling videos and techniques and things over on her channel. She also has a great love for Halloween. She was one of the ones that I believe that started the hashtag Till Death Do Us Craft Halloween series. I know she was the one that contacted me and asked me if I would like to be part of it. And it was so much fun, and it was such a different kind of hop, because you had a day of the week and you posted on that day, and we all posted on the 1st and the 31st. So it was just kind of cool to, you know, to have a different kind of hop rather than a hashtag hop or a follow me and then this person is after me, this person was before me kind of hop. So that was really, really different, and I loved participating in that. She finds ways to get people involved in things. So she is also very supportive of the LGBTQ plus community. She's talked about that a couple times in her videos. So not only is she very supportive of content creators and companies, she's very inclusive when it comes to everything. So she also makes me laugh in her videos. If you've ever watched anything by her, she just is, her personality comes out in her videos, and she has the most calming voice. I feel like I'm crazy, but when I listen to her videos, it's just such a calm, soothing voice. So I think that is everything that I wrote down. I'm trying to keep these videos between like 5 and 10 minutes. I don't want them to be too long. But if you guys have not guessed yet, it is Nancy the Handi Scandi, and I will leave all of her information linked below. I really hope that you guys go over and check out her videos, comment, leave, like it, subscribe to her channel, watch older videos. The purpose of this whole thing is, again, to grow the subscribers, but also grow the watch time, because that's part of becoming monetized. And not that monetized means that we can make a living off of this by any means, but it does help our channels grow once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. But to be monetized, you have to have X amount of watch hours. So even going back and watching old videos or older videos, maybe from before you were a subscriber of hers, will help her out. And hopefully you guys will be reminded of some techniques that maybe you did before or you have never done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this series. I hope that, again, that it's taken with all the positive intent I have for this. And I will see you again real soon for another Spotlight on the Creator. Bye!